Hello, hi Kay. This is Scott Walker. Just sending you this quick video showing you some tips and tricks that you could do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I hope that this video is beneficial for you and I would appreciate to hear your feedback. So here is your website right here. And one thing, I really like how your website's laid out and all the different pages. But one thing that Google really looks for is to have more content on your homepage. Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords, which would have a service and also a location. So photography of any sort, and also Clinton or Layton, where we live. And the other thing is, if you save all your images correctly, all of these, instead of it having this mumbo jumbo here, it could be saved as a buyer intent keyword as well and counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo. So I did go ahead and put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the trust and strength that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100 and you want them balanced and continuously moving up. You're currently at 0.3 strength and 1.5 trust, and that is due to your backlinks and referring domains. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure that you go after the authoritative ones and stay away from the spammy ones. And you do that by staying relevant to your industry and also your location. And it looks like you're being indexed for 3 keywords and you're getting 0 people to your website each and every month. By implementing the strategies I'm talking about, your UR, DR, and traffic to your website should go up dramatically. And so if we look at some of the keywords that you're being indexed for, burly pics, amber hands, so all of these, none of these are buyer intent in my book because there's no service on top of them. The other thing is, there's 50 searches each and every month. You're in the 50th position, which means you're on the 6th page of Google and you're getting 0 people to your website for it. So if we did go after, Boudoir Photography Salt Lake or Clinton or anything like that, you could be found for those searches and then people would be going to your website. So I did do Boudoir Photography Salt Lake, mostly because Clinton has 0 to none in Utah being searched for, so I went somewhere that did have some searches. But, looking at here, usually you get your local ads right up top, and this is a great way to generate business as long as it's done correctly and also if you need it. But being in the Google Business Profile is really where you want to be. And it's okay that you're not here. There's so many different ways to get up into the Google Business Profile. You could start by constantly be adding reviews. You could make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly is really helpful because it shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then you want to add citations, and that is your business name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And that's really beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more. And that'll boost your business not only in your local areas, but in the surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile generates about 30 to 40% of the traffic because you could just be clicked on right here. And then we do move down into the organic section. And this is what I was talking about being on the first, second, or third page of Google. I don't know the last time you came down and hit next, but if you're not on the first page, you're missing out on a lot of traffic. And it looks like Silk and Salt Photo is one of your top competitors. And so if we go to their website right here, they have a Let's Chat button. And usually, ways to convert customers right up top is a really good thing to have. But looking at their website, they have a decent amount of content on here. They don't have an extreme amount by any means. So it would be easy to outrank these guys when you have more content, better buyer intent keywords, and those authoritative backlinks and citations. And just to kind of give you a glimpse of what I was searching for, just for Boudoir Photography, these Clintons are in Oklahoma and Omaha, or somewhere else. So these aren't even for Utah. But if we do look up in Salt Lake, there's 90 searches a month for Boudoir Photography Salt Lake City. Another for Boudoir Photography Salt Lake City, Utah for 40. And this is great because you can localize it to different cities and have different pages for those cities. But one thing I did forget to show you is that, Boudoir Photography Utah, there's 1,000 searches a month, and then another 350. So when you're ranking for these keywords and you're outranking your competitors, a percentage of this total volume will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will start to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a new customer for you. So, hi Kay, I hope this was really beneficial for you. I look forward to talking to you soon, and have a great day.